couple little clips where we were cutting a bunch of pipe and stuff. That's for our new project, which is a mobility scooter, and we're gonna make it drift. So we were notching a bunch of these tubes, cutting it. We got about 42 feet of uncoated 1/3/8" pipe. So you guys have to stay tuned to what we're gonna be doing this. We're copying Jacob Sherwood and Carmack Revive. So as you see, we have a lot of parts here, like this engine. We got axle, brakes, spindles and stuff, steering components, and we're all going to be making separate videos on that. So this is going to be a really interesting project. So in this video, you're going to see us tacking a bunch of this stuff that we already cut up, maybe cutting up some other stuff, and just a lot of brainstorming and measuring. So yeah, enjoy. Alrighty guys, so we're done with this thing for today. What's left is, well, there's a lot of stuff left, but in the next video we're probably gonna start assembling this front bumper and the spindles, also probably like a lot of the steering components. So we got these bars, right? I think it's like 4 feet, and then these side ones all nice and welded, everything's leveled, the axles all straight and stuff, hangers are straight, so that's really good. So the next video is gonna be mostly steering components, and yeah, stay tuned.